Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Mama Baba Xposed HFM members, subscribe, share, and then to pen on Sakabi. We are still open for business outdoor, birthday, BB, up, screaming mouth, I be streaming mouth. Calvin Taylor, aftermath of the elections, in same year to turn on an ordain. Or can say, you will gold, F Ghana, I call Dubai. And yet, official gold way, but politicians now, Sabu Womu, in some way, I'm Calvin Taylor and a Kaya Camera.
What is a yet Kawi? Go that Ekuno, Omode Echo Dubai. We made you aware. A few, I think an hour later, any update team on Facebook said, oh, Kano Edu Eyekotoka International Airport. Our guys are still following this car. That was 6 hours. The first one was 6 hours, 8 hours. So 2 hours later, no, and the bishop said the van carrying the gold is now at the airport. More to follow. So that was the van. Now Ekuta Eyedie. Carry a year gold, no, and another damn for the bush for thousands and thousands of gold. Omanani, if you could a year, Kamwa, Omodiko, a year, Omodiko, a year, Omodiko, a year airport, and the Yako Dubai. Now, the breaking news coming in said the car, the police, they have been able to arrest that car. Now, what is happening? Let's say, yes, the police for no. At the car called the Greater Accra Regional Police Office. Now, the breaking news coming in said people went in there, the car was intercepted, and truly, no, the gold, they could gold that Ghana for the Domo will be there. The catch them and said they could for the government, they could for the Bushafu, you know. They are still stealing you people. The gold for oil na Baumia, Sa gold way, Yachina, Baumia Muni. And your gold for oil, PMMC, we catch them say PMMC. Sa akwano dawana na body se kurabano. Sa da ko te de no. Sa akwano. They are the ones gold for oil no the buy no. Omo the real Ghana goes. Now these are the videos coming in. Mommy and share. The gold no. Ghana for Achikano. Imagine the community. Ghana money. Ghana money. They spoil our water. Ghana money. Ghana money. Why this man go back the TV first? The TV 72, so 7 police, I can't get where over imagine that.
Yeah, Calvin Taylor share time I do movie gold no kai be dem baby e de befa bibi e de na all patch say e sika politicians na wi on pakoton gold no ye kai enye wo kwa 1999 ebisi ye agbo bi yira wo wi ma Ghana de ye hu cocaine e da na powder just say the politicians in your case ko pa your politicians number 1 I won't miss west omo ya crowd politicians what we are comfort we am hwe yi it's a same as I say aka yi na Ghanaian politicians ni sa kwaro no bomb left and right no kasam no esiye ai ya kwachi obi a gold bars no yi afi Ghana honorable na police ni kwaso honorable na mo yesa ya ko hia no so bra
You know about this thing that this now you are from where? No. We don't take it. You should come here. You should come here. What is this position? What is this position? We find out that you know something about this, and you bear the consequences. You want chicken? Yeah. Go back. Everybody should go back. Everybody should go back, please. Go back.
Ghana. But Ghana na ye wono kuono na adokroe. Fiti ye kola brema ye wo ye. Ghana ni akola so no so nye ni mura se meje. Ti say medical. Enti ye wo ye na kuono na adokroe. What you say? O produce osu different. But Ghana ni so we yesu osu o part say wo prosecute. And yes, sir, again, to your dinner when the people say, Mammy, I don't know who you are, sir. You can't want your tears here. Now, what will shall they be a make us? Politics say you'll be a wooden a chair. Now, why you are a crime? Because only will be a sabby, secure reality, a year of DNA will stop reality. Go by and to say, what will you are? And your first time, no money, now for your child. To you, wouldn't it? So many politicians ni akobowa wildlife said the bowa wildlife captain and the kai nyam kai pacha high exposed age the from babos one subscribe my the tumpa now saka be malwasi.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
You know about this thing? Now you are from where? No. We don't take it. You should come here. You should come here. What is this? What is this? We find out that you know something about this, and you bear the consequences. You want chicken? Go back. Everybody should go back. Everybody should go back, please. Go back.